In the punishing cold of an Arctic mountain in the remote Svalbard island, a doorway leads to what is meant to be the safest place on Earth. Scientists is on their way, approaching through this isolated and hostile terrain, and I'm with them as they carry a precious cargo of seeds to be kept out of the way of whatever climate change might bring. The box of seed is about to cut through the first line of security. There are half a dozen in all.
The access tunnel that's cut into the mountain here, this place is 130 meters above sea level, because if the worst happens and global warming melts all of the polar ice caps, this project will still be safe.
The deeper inside the mountain we go, the more the temperature drops. The store is designed to survive any natural disaster.
It depends on what crop it is, but some of the crops may survive for more than 4,000 years.
You're really imagining this place functioning, keeping the seeds safe for 4,000 years?
Well, it's difficult to say. I'm sure that the pharaohs thought that their pyramids would last long, and they did.
The last barrier to the store itself. Inside here, it's minus 18 Celsius. The rows of shelves are filling up with seeds from all over the world. They are a sample of nearly half of the most important food crops, brought here just in case.
Samples of seeds used to be held in glass test tubes. Now they're kept in little plastic packets, and there are more than 800,000 of these in this vault. And everywhere you look, there are examples of why this place matters.
There are seeds from cereal plants that are good at coping with drought, and some had just been returned to the Middle East. When harvests are ruined by extreme of weather, having backup copies of key seed is essential. Another threat is flooding, which can damage national stores of seeds. This happened in the Philippines, and with industrial scale farming, most food comes from just a dozen varieties of plants. So keeping different genetic types help to guarantee supplies.
Survival of mankind in the future. I mean, we need the diversity, all the different kinds of plant material to get food for the future. We have a lot of problems seeing us now. Climate change, environmental problems, and to tackle that, we need genetic variation.
So, in these remote mountains, this place is meant to be a safeguard against apocalypse and ensuring a policy for a warming world.